at Chuck E. Cheese. I'm going to try this sketchbook. Yeah, here we go, it's like that, okay? Here we go, we're going to put our coins.
Welcome to Chuck E. Cheese. Just follow me, step by step instructions. After you follow me, you'll be able to watch me draw your sketch right before your very own eyes.
Here we go.
Position yourself on your screen. Look at the camera between the arrows and wait for the snapshot. Now smile. The countdown is about to begin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smile for Jackson. Let's get started on your portrait. Just 7 minutes and we'll be done.
Look at that. Let's see what the picture would look like. Should come out any time now. There we go. Let's look at the picture. I mean the sketch.